I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on calls. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So when you keep going down here, you come here to the bed feedback, just click on it. So then here can you select the bed feedback in this list on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.